Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Abrupt. Abrupt. When something is abrupt, it is unexpected and happens very suddenly. The abrupt change in the weather forced us to end our fishing trip. When a person is abrupt, it means that they talk to people in an unfriendly and brief way. In other words, an abrupt person uses too few words when they talk in a way that seems rude and unfriendly. He has an abrupt and arrogant manner, and even his family doesn't like being around him. You can also reply to someone in an abrupt manner. A reply that is abrupt is rude and overly brief. In other words, curt or brusque. His abrupt reply and inattentive manner was unusual for such an outgoing and friendly person. As an adverb, abrupt becomes abruptly. More examples of how to use abrupt in a sentence. The movie was very interesting, but the ending was a bit abrupt and didn't make much sense. The meeting ended abruptly when the fire alarm went off. His abrupt manner with customers definitely cost him business, but there was not a better antique dealer for miles. The mountain seems gentle at first, but there is an abrupt increase in its steepness at around 1,000 feet.